for all my wonderful 360 booth operators that have been watching my content, you guys know that I came across an issue where the videos weren't uploading properly, and one client ended up reaching out to me and saying, hey, there's a video missing in the gallery. And so I shared this video on YouTube, and here's an update of what's been going on in the background. Let me show you guys. So after my email, Jackie wrote, oh my gosh, thank you so much. That would be awesome. We will for sure let you know within this next month, for sure. Her birthday is in August. Thank you so much for all your help. And my email that's going out to her today is, my pleasure. Here's a link to our website, Jackie. From experience, I recommend you guys book ahead of time. The 360 booth is in high demand, and the supply at this point is still limited. I'm here for you guys if you have any other questions. I'll have to generate an offer code which you can use at the checkout to receive $100 off your upcoming event. Yours truly, David. So I'm going to send that email to her right now. And so if Jackie ends up booking, guys, this opportunity of, this mishap about the video not being uploaded and her bringing it to my attention, all of us, we really truly benefit from this. One is she took the time out of her busy schedule to give me live, real feedback. Me as a business owner who really cares about my business, and without my customer, I don't have a business. So doing this for my customer allows me really to put myself in their shoes. And not just that, but also benefit from their loyalty and their business. So this is why I recommend always looking out after your customer and make sure they get the best service possible. I hope this video helps and motivates you guys to step it up a notch, because I know